Hello and welcome to Northern Homestead Indoor Garden. Our indoor garden is at the back of our garage that we converted in 2014. It is a nice and welcoming place. In sunny days it's quite warm and we enjoy it in so many ways. We love spending time in there. We also love growing food. We grow tomatoes and other heat-loving plants, even though that's challenging in the winter. But as you see, they do quite well and even ripen. But mostly we grow greens. Lettuce does very well, and we harvest always from the bottom, so we can have several harvests from the same plant. We also do succession planting so that we have more plants or plants all the time to enjoy in our meals. Food is the main reason we grow our indoor garden, because we want fresh food year-round, and with this room it's possible. We also grow Chinese kale and kohlrabi. Those cold weather crops do especially great, and as well we enjoy them in our meals. The lemon tree spends the summer in the geodesic dome and ripens in the winter here, which works very well. Also some flowers and herbs over winter here because it's sunny and warm. Most of the plants though we grow in hydroponic, meaning water instead of soil. The garden is a friend you can visit anytime, and this one we can even visit in the winter. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.